Nicole, quickly popping into your newsfeed because I've had a question about who and that. Yes, another grammar question. So who and that? Look, these are relative pronouns. I know that sounds complicated and stressful. I won't use the grammatical term too often. However, these are what we call relative pronouns. And relative pronouns are used when you are adding extra information to a sentence, when you are giving more detail in a sentence about the same subject. So for example, if I have two sentences, the boy lives in Sydney and the boy bought a new car. In both of those sentences, the boy is the subject. Now, if I want to combine these sentences and make them more advanced, then I don't have to repeat the boy and the boy. I can just say it once. And I use the relative pronoun who to connect them. So the boy who bought a new car lives in Sydney. So you can see there that the who is introducing that extra information. I hope that makes sense. So who is the relative pronoun when you're giving extra information about a person, when you're referring back to a person you've already mentioned, in this case, the boy. Whereas the relative pronoun that is used when you are referring back to a thing, to an object, to anything that's not a person, basically. So same situation, you're connecting two sentences. They both have the same subject, but you're making it more advanced by making one longer sentence and using the relative pronoun in the middle. So for example, the book is interesting, the book is expensive, whatever. So the book, let me change that. The book that I want to buy is interesting. So there my sentence was, the book is interesting and I want to buy the book. So basically what I'm doing there is I'm combining that information with a that. I hope that makes sense. That was a really bad example. Let me try again. So for instance, I might say something like, the car that I want to buy is very old. So you can see there that the that is referring to the car as well. So that's basically a very, very condensed lesson about who and that, the relative pronouns. So both of them refer back to something that you've already mentioned. Who is always for people, that is for everything else. I hope that's clear. Thanks for listening. Bye.